Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can enable Siri on iPhone or iPad. So let's start our video. I'm using an iPad, but you can follow the same steps on your iPhone as well. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your device. Once you're there, you need to scroll down where you will find Siri and search. You need to tap on it. Here you will find the option listen for Hey Siri, press home for Siri. So all you need to do is to enable this one. Once you enable, then this message will pop up, enable Siri, and they say set up Hey Siri. You need to tap on continue, and then you need to say all these sentences one by one. So guys, once you read all the sentences appear on the screen, you need to just tap on done and press home for Siri. If you want to enable that one, you can enable as well. So guys, this is all it takes to enable Siri on iPhone or iPad. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.